Welcome to English listening practice. Level 1 Part 2 Speed, very slow. Listen first, then watch please. In our country, almost every village has the same scenario. But I think my village is one of the most beautiful villages in the country. Today I am going to describe my village with few lines here. My village name is Pukuria. It's a naturally beautiful place located near Shonka River. This village is popular and famous because of its natural beauty. We have a really beautiful hills beside the village and a Carnafali tea garden is spreading on it. We have schools, mosques, temples and a few other educational and religious places. Most of the people are farmers and fishermen in the village. The majority of the population is related to agriculture. Most of the people work in the field and hill nearest river and produce crops. They sell them in the market. Sometimes they export the fishes in the big cities. Farmers grow rice in their field. We have really good communication system with the highway and other roads. The roads are good and any kinds of vehicles can be driven without having any major problem. Lots of tourists often visit that place and we make lots of money from tourism. People are living here with peace and love. They love each other. I love my village very much. It's an important place for me. Thanks for listening. Like, share and subscribe please.